In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select an app you wish to use in this view and access the app menu. Now click on floating windows shortcut. It's this one. And wait! Now click on this tiny window, and as you can see now, I can operate my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To use more options of pop-up view, tap on the same three dots. If you want to use it in full screen view, hold this lower line and drag it all the way down. If you want to, you can also resize your window by holding one of its corners. To close it though, you can simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!